Welcome to this technical guide on the HP13A. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP13A won't hold a charge, you're not alone. This common issue often arises due to a battery that has reached the end of its lifespan or due to poor connections. If left unaddressed, your device can become completely unusable, leading to frustration and lost productivity. To resolve this, we need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery compatible with the HP13A, and an anti-static wrist strap to protect your device from static electricity. First, ensure your HP13A is powered off and unplugged. Carefully turn the device upside down to access the battery compartment. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws safe, as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry off the back panel. Take your time to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, locate the battery. It's usually secured by a couple of screws and connected by cables. Remove any screws holding the battery in place, and gently disconnect the cables. Be cautious here, as the connectors can be delicate. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is free, take your new battery and connect it in the same way the old one was. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier, ensuring everything is tight but not overly forceful to avoid stripping the screws. Before replacing the back panel, double-check that all connections are secure and that there are no loose cables. Now, carefully align the back panel and press it down until it clicks into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the panel. Finally, turn your HP13A back over, plug it in, and power it on. You should see a charging indicator if everything has been done correctly. To prevent this issue from occurring in the future, ensure you regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and discharging it every few months. Additionally, avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures, as this can significantly affect battery health. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.